Welcome back. Bailing on the Cathie flagship ARK Innovation ETF. The fund seeing almost $750 million in outflows, despite rallying 60% year to date. Deirdre Bosa spoke to Wood herself about this during the Tech Check special on Friday. Hi, Dee.
Well, Kelly, maybe it's not despite that rally this year. It's because of that rally. I mean, the ARK flagship fund suffered heavy losses in 2021 and 22 after, of course, the big pandemic boom. But some investors are saying, OK, we've made a little bit of those losses back. So now's the time to sell. We've seen about $230 million in net outflows this year alone, more than $700 million in net outflows over the last 12 months. So I did ask Cathie Wood herself what this perhaps signaled to her. Have a listen.
Our asset retention has been spectacular. I think everyone would agree with that. Asset retention through 21 and 22. We're up more than 50%, some of our funds 60% plus. So there would be natural profit taking. I do think we're beginning to see investors shift from the NASDAQ 100 or NASDAQ, take maybe losses or gains there and into our innovation fund, because I think the values when it comes to innovation are in our fund.
So, Kelly, she calls this natural profit taking. But if you go back to, let's say, the flagship fund's inception back in 2014, you'd actually be underperforming the NASDAQ and the NASDAQ 100. Cathie Wood often urges us to think long term, but that is the long term story here. Is that, yes, you had a huge pandemic boom, but overall, it has been an underperformer in terms of tech stocks over the last, let's say, since back in 2014. That's a long time frame.
Yeah, one of the most fascinating stories, right? To see the fund and to see Cathie everywhere and so many people piling in and then having a change of heart. Now, they're not back to the AUM they were pre-pandemic, but obviously performance has a lot to do with that as well. Yeah. Do we know about talent retention and, how many other they've expanded in size considerably over the last several years, and it feels like maybe that's still largely intact.
That's a good point. But I will say, though, that her fees haven't changed all that much, right? So she's still bringing in money. The what is it called? The fee that she collects is about 0.75%. Let's take the QQQ, for example. That fee is about 0.2%. So even though, the value of her assets under management is declining, she's still raking in money that way. So it's an interesting question. Will she have to sort of scale back? But like she said to me, she thinks that, people are going to put money into her because she has been that underperformer as well. So if they want innovation, they'd rather hold ARK than the NASDAQ or the NASDAQ 100. But
often with active management, totally, people end up coming out of the cycle and going, you know what, next time I'll just stick with the index, and it has, lighter load.
And over time, that's been a better bet.
Yeah, exactly. Deirdre, thank you very much. We appreciate it today.